you have to pause. That's
Hi! Okay, hello! For this vlog, we are going somewhere in this very special weather. So actually, today, walang pasok. So now we are walking. Asa tamo to kuya?
sledding.
Sledding.
In Bisaya, sledding.
In Visaya, sliding. So for today, walang pasok kasi may snowfall warning. And
Makapagod mga yan. Put your hoodie on.
makapal yung snowfall warning. That's the reason why suspended yung classes and yung mga trabaho kasi yun nga delikadong biyahe sa ganitong mga panahon. Okay, so see you later. I'll show you later kung anong gagawin namin, okay? Bye-bye! Also, we're almost here kung saan kami mag-i-sled. Medyo makapal yung dito. Kumusta dyan mga pare? So we need to ingat tayo. Okay. Dili to mo. Okay. Okay. Dandan tayo mga pare. Kasi may ano dito. May water stream. Hoy! Careful.
Just walk on that.
Tik tayo dun Tik tayo dun. So ano na? Angkol. Kapal ng snow mga chong. Okay. So maghalo-halo dyan. Unlimited ice dito. Tara. Let's go. Call.
What about me?
What about you? Uy. Nababaon talaga. Baon na baon. So, dito kami mag-i-sled. Di siya medyo di naman siya kalayuan. Around 30 minutes walk. 30 minutes walk because of the weather. Pero kung lalakarin mo naman to in normal weather, mabilis na naman makakarating. So you gotta enjoy the things na meron ka ngayon. Right? Just enjoy the things that you have now. They're doing sledding now.
Can I have it, please?
Go! Go!
Where can I take it? Abraham!
Pwede wag sliding na lang dun sa Canada Game Center.
Pwede na. Brabs, you follow here, oh.
Grant, here. See, no, here.